Hey everyone, Pat Bravo here. How are you? Such a long time that I don't do a video of me talking. The last ones I was doing was the series of my library of blogs. I hope you enjoy them, that you like them. But this video is going to be a little bit different. First of all, I want to tell you a little bit about my delay on producing videos on YouTube. I don't know if some of you may well be aware. The last 4 months were very sad for me because my mother has died, and I wasn't in the mood. I was extremely sad, and I couldn't do videos at all. The production in YouTube of videos has delayed a little bit. I just wanted to do so many videos, but in particular this video about my indie series. As you may know, indie is one of my most beloved collections that I did so far, and it became the first one, and then the second one, and then the last one. And there is such much joy for me doing this series that I couldn't do just with one. I have to do more than that. And it was so well received by all of you that I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the behind my creation process of my indie series collections. Okay, now I'm gonna imitate the makeup YouTubers, and I'm gonna tell you that if you wanna find out more about my indie series, just keep on watching. Okay, so the indie series comes from one big love that I have all my entire life. And the story behind the three of them is bigger than you think. But basically, they all come from my love for the heritage of craftsmanship and independent artisans. And because I am an artisan, my whole life work with my hands. And I'm an artist, I want to celebrate a little bit that. Basically, it's a fusion on each of the indie collections that you see from me. There is a fusion of cultures involved in that particular collection, because artisans come from all over the world, many places, and I want to celebrate the different cultures that pay homage that the craftsmanship, that beloved craftsmanship that people do with their hands. The inspiration in these three collections are merged and executed to maintain the same idea behind the indie series, which is a clash of cultures and the celebration of many heritage. My first indie celebrates being back to the roots, as well as beauty with globally inspired prints in an eclectic palette. Over there, you're going to see African prints, Japanese prints, Chinese prints, Himalayan prints, all mixed with very saturated jewel tone colors in two beautiful palettes. One that is going to be a little bit more cool, if we can say so, and the other one is a little bit more warm. The original indie came in 20 prints and is already sold out. Many of you have been asking to reprint this, and I'm thinking about that idea. I love the results of my indie so much, and people love it too, so I decided to go with the second one, which is called Indie Bohem or Indie Bohem, which was released earlier this year, 2017, and was inspired by my love of faraway influences and the bohemian style that comes to life in indie. Although this indie is a medley of more romantic prints, it has that eclectic boho fabric prints that resemble a little bit, not so much my first indie, but it's a kind of a mix. The last installment of my indie trilogy is crowned with now everyone's new favorite, indie folk. That collection expresses a visual story of my life for the folklore and the world around me. Here, as you can see, I changed the colors and I incorporated ornamental florals and minimalistic ethnic designs, which resembles more the folk style, and very saturated colors, lots of reds, emerald greens, super dark blues, black, perfect for sewing projects with a trendy twist. Here I want to bring back a little bit of the love for my last indie folk, because I did indie folk by my mother's bedside in her last month of her life. And as you know, I don't really do much red. In all the story of my 30-something collections, I didn't do a lot of red, and she loved red, and she wanted me to incorporate that color into this last collection. So she actually pressured me a lot. She says, "Pat, you should include red. Red is a lovely color. You're gonna love it." And now, you know what? I really love it. And so I'm super happy with the results of my last indie. And I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to you for make this collection one of your favorites. I received tons of comments on Instagram and Facebook about it, and you really love it. And I couldn't be more thankful this time. Thank you so much. All right, so I hope you get to know my indie series a little bit more, and that you enjoy working with them. You can use it in many products, and I made it with so much love for all of you. My next video is going to be all about techniques, so don't miss it, okay? So, and if you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you next time. Bye. Vamos a poner esa parte que digo, I'm not very good at this. Talking in front of the camera, I'm not very good at this. Talking in front of the camera, let me take my glasses on. Bueno, ahí puedes cortar.